St. Patrick's Day is once again upon us, and I thought this would be a great time to make my version of the infamous Shamrock shake. Today we are making a Shamrock Lassi. It's a little bit more balanced in flavor than just a super sweet shake. It's healthy, has plenty of veggies in it, yogurt, and not much else. So thank you again for joining me, and let's make a Shamrock Lassi. All right, I thought long and hard in putting this recipe together about just using mint instead of other vegetables to try and make the smoothie. But really, we're trying for a lassi here. I wanted to keep it nutritious, and you would need a lot of mint to achieve a good green color. So I went with peppermint extract. It's not exactly synthetic, but it is not as, well, it's definitely not green. So we're going to get our green from a cheaper ingredient. So there we go. There's our peppermint extract. That was a 1/4 teaspoon. The next ingredient is salt, and we're going to put in, call it 1/8 teaspoon. We're basing this on a lassi as opposed to a milkshake or something like this. This gives it a lot of complexity. Traditionally, a lassi might just be yogurt and salt. Okay, little things done. We're going to put in a cup of plain yogurt, not Greek yogurt. Well, actually not plain yogurt either. This is a cup of vanilla yogurt. That has a sweetener in it already, keeping us kind of simple. You could use plain yogurt, and then you would add vanilla and a bit of sweetener, maybe honey, but probably sugar would be more neutral. In this case, it's already been done for us. The important thing is that it's whole milk, which gives us the best possible texture, and that it is yogurt and not Greek yogurt, so it's going to have a lot more liquid in it. Now we're going to try and put in a compact cup of spinach, which is kind of impossible to measure, so for me, it's about a handful. I'm going to shove this in. We're going to put in a splash of milk, just a splash. This is whole milk. This doesn't really matter that much. We just need something liquid. And similarly, we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of ice. So now we're just going to blend. There we go. It's a bit thin. I did that intentionally. If you want it thicker, just put in more ice and less milk. But it's absolutely delicious. Minty, you can still taste the vanilla. You really don't taste the spinach. It's just there for appearances and, you know, vitamins, but who cares about the vitamins? This is delicious. And that salt we added earlier, it is important. It balances everything out. This doesn't taste super sickly sweet. It also doesn't taste healthy, which is kind of a good thing. So happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. And I encourage you to make a Shamrock Lassi, or, you know, healthy Shamrock shake if you want to call it that, and enjoy.